Looking at all the recent weight loss trends can be pretty successful. After all, it can be difficult to tell what diets will actually give you results and are backed by science. In this video, we will be explaining all of the tried and true ways that have been proven to help people lose belly fat. Be sure to make it to the end of our list to find out some of the most surprising fat loss methods. Here are 14 things that you must do to lose belly fat fast. Number 1. Cut out sugar as much as possible. Possibly one of the best ways to lose belly fat is to cut sugar out of your diet as much as possible. This is because multiple scientific studies have found that diets containing a lot of sugar lead to weight gain and fat accumulation around the stomach. As a result, cutting out sugary drinks and foods is one of the best ways to shrink belly fat. Plus, it will make your health better overall as well. Number 2, reduce how many carbs you eat. The keto diet is a very popular fat loss diet that involves greatly reducing the amount of carbohydrates that you eat on a regular basis. Many people even claim that the keto diet is the best belly fat diet around because it is more sustainable over a long period of time than other weight loss diets tend to be. Well, research has shown that the ketogenic diet actually works pretty well for people trying to lose weight and achieve a flat stomach. This belly fat diet works by putting your body into a state of ketosis. This means that your body is starting to burn the fat stored in your body for fuel, and this effectively makes you lose fat fast. In addition to burning fat, the keto diet also helps people lose water weight, which can also reduce bloating in some cases. Number 3, eat more fiber. Eating fiber-rich foods is one of the best things that you can do for your wellness for life, and this is due to a couple of reasons. The first benefit to eating lots of fiber is that fiber-rich foods tend to be nutritiously dense, low in calories, and make people full for long periods of time. The benefits of eating fiber don't stop there, though. Many studies have found that eating a diet that is rich in soluble fiber can help shrink belly fat and boost metabolism. Number 4, have a regular exercise routine. Of course, exercising on a regular basis is also important when it comes to losing weight. Research suggests that the best belly fat workout includes a combination of cardio and resistance-building workouts. This is because aerobic exercises will help with belly fat loss and weightlifting will help build muscle. As a result, people have been known to see more results when trying to lose weight if they include both of these workout types into their exercise routine. Number 5, eat more protein. When it comes to a belly fat loss diet, increasing protein consumption is a good idea. This is because protein-rich foods tend to be more filling than other kinds of foods, which means that you feel less inclined to eat large portions and snacks throughout the day. Additionally, some studies have found that eating a protein-rich diet can help lose belly fat and keep belly fat off. Therefore, decreasing the amount of carbs that you eat and increasing your fiber and protein intake is possibly the best way to lose belly fat, according to research. Number 6, keep a food and exercise diary. Changing up your diet and lifestyle can seem daunting, especially if you feel like you have too many things to remember and keep up with. Keeping a food and exercise diary can be really helpful when it comes to reducing stress and keeping track of all the lifestyle changes made during your weight loss journey. This includes what you did for your last workout routine and everything you eat in a day. Logging these things will help you stick to your diet and exercise goals. Starting a food and exercise journal can be a great first step for those who are looking into how to lose belly fat. Number 7, stop drinking alcohol. Alcohol is one of the worst things to drink in excess if you're looking to lose weight and belly fat. This is because alcohol is very calorically dense, which means that your body will convert alcohol into body fat pretty easily. This is especially true if you're drinking alcohol all of the time, or if you like to drink a lot of alcohol in one sitting. Not to mention, many cocktails contain a lot of extra sugar from mixers as well. Research also recommends that people watch their sugar intake when trying to lose fat around their stomach. So skipping that margarita is always a good idea if you're looking to lose a few pounds. Number 8, stay away from fatty foods. Of course, foods that are filled with fat are not good things to eat if you're looking to shrink belly fat fast. This is because fatty foods are usually very calorically dense. Oftentimes, these calories are empty ones. This means that your body is likely to store that fat that you just ate into fat on your body. Things like fast food, burgers, French fries, and other fat-laden foods should be avoided or eaten in moderation when trying to lose weight and keep it off. Number 9, make sure you get enough sleep. Although some viewers may be surprised by this, getting enough sleep every night actually plays a large role when it comes to losing weight. There are a couple reasons why this is the case. The first reason is that getting 8 hours of sleep every night will give you more energy throughout the day. This makes you more motivated to do things like exercising and preparing healthy meals. Additionally, studies have shown that getting an inadequate amount of sleep on a regular basis can put people at a greater risk for gaining weight. This suggests that sleep is actually very important for our metabolic health. Number 10, try meditation and yoga to reduce stress. In addition to getting enough sleep every night, keeping your stress levels low can also help with weight loss. This is because the body releases a hormone called cortisol when a person is feeling stressed out. And high amounts of cortisol in the body has been linked to weight gain and fat accumulation around the stomach. Studies have also shown that an excessive amount of cortisol in the body can lead to people feeling hungry more often or having a larger appetite. If you're looking into some ways to relax, then doing things like yoga or meditation can be a great option for many people. These things could even be included into a daily exercise routine. Number 11, apple cider vinegar may help with the loss of belly fat. There have been numerous studies suggesting that drinking a small amount of apple cider vinegar every day could help with weight loss and losing belly fat. Although research shows that this fat loss is fairly small when no other lifestyle changes are made, this could be a simple and helpful addition to a diet and exercise routine. However, studies also show that taking undiluted apple cider vinegar on a regular basis could damage the enamel of the teeth. As a result, it's a good idea to dilute apple cider vinegar with some water if you do decide to take advantage of its weight loss properties. Number 12, try taking probiotics. Taking a probiotic supplement or eating foods with natural probiotics like yogurt has been shown to promote good digestive health. This is because probiotics help to keep the amount of healthy gut bacteria balanced. Some studies have shown that gut bacteria does more than just keep you regular, though. In fact, evidence suggests that a healthy amount of gut bacteria can help with weight loss due to their link to natural weight fluctuation. Number 13, drink some green tea. Probiotics and apple cider vinegar are not the only additions to your diet that could potentially aid in weight loss. Green tea is an incredibly healthy drink that has also been linked to fat loss according to research. This is mainly thanks to the antioxidants that are in green tea, which have been shown to help reduce belly fat when consumed on a regular basis. However, research also shows that this belly fat loss method gets the best results when paired with a healthy diet and exercise. Number 14. Include omega-3 fatty acids in your diet. Omega-3 fatty acids are actually a very important part of a balanced diet, and eating omega-3 fatty acids on a semi-regular basis has numerous health benefits. One of these is possibly helping you lose weight. One study found that eating omega-3 fatty acids help children with fatty liver disease to lose fat around their stomachs. This suggests that including fatty fish such as salmon and sardines or taking omega-3 supplements could potentially help everyone lose some fat from their abdomen. Plus, this nutrient is generally part of a healthy diet, so it doesn't hurt to have some. Which one of these belly fat losing tips are you going to try out? And which item on our list was the most surprising to you? Let us know in the comments below. Here are 2 more videos you might find interesting. Feel free to choose the one you like. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and share the video with your friends. And for more interesting videos on health, subscribe to the channel.